Here is your friendly reminder to not just stick a nipple shield on your nipple when you're going to latch. You don't want to put it on like a bandaid because this will leave lots of space at the tip where baby can still nipple munch on you when they're latching. You want to take your fingers and pull your nipple out as far as possible, as far as it naturally goes. Then you want to flip your shield like a cup. Get it as far onto that nipple as possible. And then flip the stretch and flip that shield over so that your nipple is in as far as it possibly can, so that when baby goes to latch, they're latching to the breast and not just on that nipple tip. Now, most people will be given a cone-shaped shield like this in the hospital. You may need a cherry-shaped shield or a smaller shield than what was given to you. So just be mindful, there's more than one nipple shield, and having the right size shield is a very important factor of a pain-free latch.